Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a Grove shipment for you. I love Grove products. Yes, I can go to Target and pick up some of these items on my own, but why go to Target, especially right now when it's so crazy with everybody's health and all the COVID stuff going on, when I can get it sent to me for free? Now, you can do a VIP, which is what I do every year, and I think I paid like $30. I get free shipping all year, plus if I spend so much money, I also get free items, which who doesn't love free items? So let's see, and I just think it's really fun too. Every time they always write thank you on the box, which I think is just a really nice touch. All right, so usually it comes really well packaged. There's only been one time that, and that was my very first box that I ever got, that I had something come opened. It leaked everywhere, and they just sent me a new one, and it was all good. All right, I do want to say welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is having a lovely day. I hope you are well and your families are well, and this box will bring you a little bit of happy, maybe grab you a little coffee or whatever, and just take a minute to yourself. All right, so first things first, of course, toilet paper. Now, when I ordered my box came a little bit later. They were having some shipping delays, and so at that time there was no toilet paper in the store. And actually, I think when I went to the grocery last Friday, my husband and I, we go to the grocery every Friday. That's the only day that we go, and they still didn't have toilet paper. So I got 2 boxes, and they each have 4 rolls in them, and they are the bigger rolls. They are nice and soft. I will tell you, I am kind of a toilet paper snob. I like Charmin, and I like the Quilted Northern Ultra. But when I saw that Grove had toilet paper, I was like, yes, please. Send some of that my way and I'll try theirs. So that's what I did. So I got 2 boxes, and I will leave it across the screen how much everything is, but it is tree-free products made of 100% sustainable bamboo, new and improved, softer and thicker, ultra soft bath tissue. So I got 2 boxes there. Then the next thing I got was some hand soap. I supply my own hand soap at work, and because I love this stuff so much. I am not really a Dial girl, and that's what they provide for us at work. So I got this one, and it is Oat Blossom scent. I'd never had the Oat Blossom scent, I would give it a whirl. It smells very good. Kind of smells like the Aveeno oatmeal bath. So there's that. And then they also had hand sanitizer, so I picked up an extra one. My bathroom that is down here, I live in a really old house, so one of the bathrooms that is down in the office only has a toilet in it, so I always keep a big thing of the Grove hand sanitizer, and it is in the blood orange scent, and it smells very citrusy. So when I looked the first time, they were out, and then I got a notification, I think via email, that said that they had the hand sanitizer in, so I clicked on it and had my cart sent to me because I wanted some. And I might even just keep it in the car. I know my dad also was saying that he was having trouble finding hand sanitizer, so if he didn't find any, I might send it to him. But I have plenty. All right. Y'all are probably gonna hear the mower, so if I am yelling at you in some parts of the video, I'm sorry. But the nice days, they're getting more frequent around here, but it's still been a little cold. So I sent Matthew outside to mow the yard. All right, this is something else I really have been wanting to try. This is the ultra durable reusable towels. We use paper towels like nobody's business in this house. And so these are the reusable ones, and I really wanted to try them out and see how they did and how we liked them, and if it saved us from going through the big, humongous pack of Bounty every month. So these are sustainable and durable. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 years. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. Product was whitened with hydrogen peroxide. Use as you would a normal paper towel without the waste. Product can be used for up to 1 week and hand washed in between uses. Now, of course, if you're cleaning up, you know, if you were gonna clean up like a mess from like meat or chicken or something like that, I would probably still use a regular paper towel. You guys hear the mower. All right, so, and I think these were $12.99 for how many? I think 12. I think there's 12 of them in here. Oh, 20, 11 and a half by 10 and a quarter, no, 3/4 sheet per roll. All right, let's just open this up and see what it looks like. They are really soft too. So cleaning up the grandbaby or whatever, they'll be really soft. All right. So that's a pretty big, this is the end of the sheet. I don't know if you guys can see the perforated edge, but it's right here where my finger is. You see the mower back there? And so that's a really big sheet. I'm really excited to try those and see how much money we save. All right, so there's that. Then the last thing, they did have their spring set. So in the set, I kind of think it was $30, but I will run it across the screen for you. So I got a new stoneware tray. This is sink side style. Ooh, that's really pretty. So this is what the tray looks like. Pink flowers. I love pink. I love flowers in the summertime and in the spring. I love bringing the indoors or the outdoors in, and that looks very durable. So let's throw that in the box. And then we've got, it came with the Rose Scent multi-surface. Now, I know a lot of people are not rose scent people, but I love floral. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like you brought fresh flowers inside. It's not a perfumey or non-organic smell. It's really organic and nice and lovely. So there's that. And then it came with my favorite dish soap. I don't use any other dish soap than the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. And it's rose. And then it came with a soap. So you can put the soap on here and a dish soap. That would look really pretty. And then it also came with a European dishcloth. So you could lay your little dishcloth across there and it would be really pretty. I love that. I love the smell of that. That's awesome. All right. Just add water and the set of floral dishcloths. So let's see. It came with 2 of them. They feel really weird, but I guess they'll be like a dishcloth when you get them wet. But that is odd. They are odd looking. Whatever, Grove. I'm sure you know what you're doing. So says it's perfect for cleaning dishes and wiping up spills. It's in the Cherry Blossoms print. Okay, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for all of my future videos. I have some stuff coming up. There's probably gonna be a switch on my channel that I can't tell you about right now, but I will. So stick around. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos, including clean with me's, decorate with me's, unboxing of cleaning products. All right, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and if you need that cocktail, it's okay. Go have you a cocktail.